Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Today, we're exploring how digital transformation, smart factories, and Industry 4.0 are revolutionizing the modern industry. Each of these concepts has its unique attributes, but they work for a common goal, that is, better quality, throughput, and safety, providing ease to workers and higher manufacturing profits. So, let's talk about these three in detail. Digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all business areas. It's about streamlining processes, enhancing efficiency, and adapting to an ever-changing digital landscape. Enter the smart factory, a key player in this transformation. Here, connected machinery and AI-driven analytics work in harmony. It's not just about automation. It's about smarter, more efficient production. And then there's Industry 4.0, the umbrella under which these innovations thrive. It's a fusion of technologies like IoT, AI, and big data, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing. Though each concept has distinct characteristics, they share a common objective: to make manufacturing more efficient and profitable. More and more manufacturers are now adopting these technologies to stay competitive while achieving long-term strategic goals.